Hi, I'm Pradichaya, and if you've landed here, I'm guessing your child is struggling with math, or at least you suspect that there's more going on than the progress report. You've probably seen a few test scores that don't make sense, or your child used to do just fine, until all of a sudden they're not. Maybe they're confused. Maybe they're anxious. Maybe they've even said something like, I'm just not good at math. And maybe a part of you has wondered, what if something important got skipped a few years back and now we are paying the price? If that sounds familiar, I want you to know two things. One, you're not imagining it. And two, you don't have to stay in the dark. That's why I created the From Mathless to Math Yes Diagnostic Test Audit. It's a one-time, no-pressure way to finally see what's really going on so you can stop guessing and start helping. Here's how it works. After you order, we'll send your child a diagnostic test based on the current grade level, either 5 to 7 or 8 to 11. It's not long or overwhelming, but it is carefully designed to uncover the real gaps that may be holding them back. When your child finishes the test, my partner, veteran math educator Ralph Shatsky, will personally review it and record a custom video for you. In that video, he'll walk you through exactly what your child got right, what they are missing, and what step they will need to rebuild confidence and catch up. You'll also get a written summary from me, kind of like a doctor's after-visit note, along with clear suggestions on what to do next. And just to be clear, this is not a sales trap. We're not offering a free test just to sell you a big program. This is the program. One test, one honest review, one powerful turning point. Look, I'm a mother of 4. I know what it feels like to be stuck, knowing your child is so smart, but still not seeing the result. I've been there. So if you're ready to get real answers without shame, without pressure, you are in the right place. Scroll down and order your test now. You'll receive the test link right away. After your child completes it, we'll begin the review and send you custom video within 5 to 7 days. That's it. No back and forth, no pressure, just clarity. We can't wait to help you and your child say, this finally makes sense.